Hey, what's going on everybody? My name's Chris and I built this guitar. I just finished it last week. It's my second guitar. If you want to see a build of the whole thing, link in the corner here or in the description below the video. But I've got a problem, okay? And I mentioned this at the end of my build video. I've got a couple of strings that are buzzing, okay? And I mentioned that I didn't know how to fix it. I had to learn how to do that. So I've kind of figured out what the problem is. So I want to show you and we're going to try to fix it. So the only two good ones are the A string and the high E. Everything else, you know, E's got just a tiny bit, B's got a tiny bit, but D and G, real bad. I want to play, of course. Can't hear it, so that leads me to believe that there's something wrong with the nut. So after watching a few videos on YouTube on how to fix this problem, I found out what the problem is, and I'm going to try some of the things I saw on YouTube and see if it works, okay? So we've got the buzz and the D string. Let me show you how I learned to test to see if it's a problem with the nut or not. So I've got a piece of paper here and I'm going to rip off a little bitty small piece and I'm going to fold it in half and I'm going to place it underneath the string in the groove. So let's go ahead and get the string out of the slot. So there's the paper in place. I'll just pick that up and place the string in there. And then I'm going to put the string back in tune. See that? Just a tiny bit, but way better. So that tells me the nut slot that I filed is too low. So what I'm going to try to do is some things I saw on YouTube. I've got some baking soda and I've got some super glue, okay? So I'm a little nervous to try this. It's the first time I've ever tried it, but we're going to see if it works today, okay? Okay, so you can see I've got some tape down just so I don't get any super glue on the guitar. I've got some naphtha here. Try to clean out these slots a little bit. I'm going to just rub in there a little bit and just clean them out. But I'm sure they're clean. I don't know. I just saw, I think it was a video on StewMag by Dan Earlywan doing this, and he cleaned them first. So it seems like it's the right thing to do. I've got some baking soda here, like I mentioned. I've got this little bitty palette knife, and I'm going to just kind of put some into the hole. I don't know if I need that much. Goodness gracious. I think that'll do. So I've got also some super glue and I've got a bag of little wick tips that I bought a while back. And I'm just going to kind of wick it in there. There's one drop. Another drop on that one. I've got some accelerator, so I'm going to put that on there. Alright, I'm just going to see if the string will sit down in the groove still. Okay, got the string down in there, but yeah, it's way too high now. So I'll need to file it. Let me get the tape off and then I'll catch up with you in a minute. You know, checking the height of the string above the first fret is really difficult with the tools I have. So I'm going to try to adjust this and see if I can get it to work. Alright, let me follow on this a little bit more and I'll come back to you. Well, I can't believe it. I actually fixed the problem and I didn't screw up. Too bad. Much better, way better. If I hit it real hard, I guess it'd probably buzz a little bit, but at least when I'm strumming a G or something like that, if those strings are open, you don't hear buzzing like you were before. So anyway, just a quick video today. I just wanted to try a repair out. Fixing the, just a basic repair, something I need to learn more how to do. I was a little nervous to do it, but really at the end of it all, it wasn't that hard to do, really. What I didn't show you was I actually did go through and fix the B-string. I put some baking soda and went ahead and refiled that slot for the B-string since I was already here. And sounds much better. Much better. I'm really happy with this. The repair. I don't know if that's what you call a repair, but I just tweaked it a little bit, I guess, is what I did. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, okay? Bye.